Equipped with a Hasselblad camera and dual telecameras, Mavic 3 Pro is a triple-camera drone that unlocks new shooting perspectives, allowing you to embrace creative freedom further, capture fascinating scenery, explore photographic storytelling, and make cinematic masterpieces. The DJI Mavic 3, released on 5 November 2021, has a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad L2 D-20C camera and includes Hasselblad's Natural Color Solution HN CS technology. The camera has 12.8 stops of dynamic range and shoots up to 5.1K video. The Mavic 3 Pro can withstand wind speeds up to 12 meters per second, 26.8 miles per hour, and travel up to 21 meters per second, 47 miles per hour, in sport mode. The Mavic 3 drone can stay airborne for up to 46 minutes, thanks to the new propulsion system and higher capacity Mavic 3 intelligent flight batteries for this latest generation of Mavic drones. The Mavic 3 Pro uses the DJI 03 Plus transmission system that can transmit a 1080p/60 fps live camera feed at a distance of up to 9.3 miles/15 kilometers in the United States and up to 5 miles per 8 kilometers in other regions, although this is far beyond what is legal in most regions. DJI Mavic 3's customized L2 D-20C aerial camera embeds a professional-grade 4x3 CMOS sensor with a 24mm prime lens in a sleek and compact form. Mavic 3 can fly indoors, but its parameters and capabilities are not always suitable for such tasks. The best way to do this is to use the new model from DJI, Mini 3. It can be said that it is almost ideal for flights inside buildings and of various sizes. DJI's stated max wind resistance for the Mavic 3 is 12 meters per second, 23.3 knots, and max speed of 21 meters per second. We need to balance the performance of the aircraft comprehensively. The DJI Mavic 3 cannot be 100% waterproof. It is still not recommended to fly the aircraft for a long time in the rain. Yes, you can travel with a drone in your carry-on or checked luggage, depending on its size and the airline you're flying with. According to the FAA, drones containing lithium batteries, fuel cells, and certain parachute systems may be classified as dangerous goods, so contact your airline if you have any doubts. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, requires every DJI Mavic operator to register drones before flying. Aircraft weighing over 55 pounds, just over 2 sticks of butter, must have compliant marking labels visible for identification and carry a certificate of registration, flight ID. You can still take off without logging in, however, there will be limited height and distance. Before going to the remote area, it is highly suggested to open the DJI Fly first to check if it needs to be logged in. Internet connection is not required during flying. Instead, it is recommended to set your mobile device in airplane mode to avoid any interference when flying the unit. Make sure to finalize the unlocking request before going to a location without an internet connection. Yes, you may use only the DJI remote controller of the DJI Mini 2 when flying the DJI drone. It will fly just fine without a mobile device attached, but you will not have access to the DJI intelligent flight modes, though as they need the DJI Fly application.